In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can screencast your keys in Blender using an add-on, an open source free add-on from GitHub. So it will help you to show the mouse buttons, as you can see here, and the keys of the keyboard. Now, it's a really easy operation. All you need to do is go in a web browser, in a search engine, search for the screencast keys Blender add-on, or just screencast keys Blender. And if you go here in the first result, this is a GitHub link, as you can see, because this is where you can find it. So you can also search directly in GitHub. So GitHub is a platform where you can download free and open source software. So if you go here, usually you have releases, and this is the latest version. So if you click here, you're gonna get on the latest version, and you have different files, but what we need for Blender to install is the screencast keys.zip. So it's a zipped folder, but this is what we need. You can see I've already downloaded, but just to show you, I will download it again and save it in my download folder. Now you also have the source code here, because this is again an open source asset and resource, so we can use it if we want. But in this case, we're just going to install it. So I'm going to now close the web browser window and page, and I will go into the Blender application and just go here in Edit and go to Preferences. So it's really easy. Just you can find the menu on the top. Click on Edit, go into the Preferences, and go to the Add-ons section. So this is where you can find all the add-ons. Now we can try to see if it's already there, but you can see there is nothing in there right now if I search with the search bar. So I need to go in the install button. So I click on install, I navigate into my folder where I have downloaded the zipped file, and just select that and open it, and that's gonna install it right away. So right now it's in Blender, but we need to activate it. So click here, so it will be now available in the Blender interface. Now before we get into the actual plugin or add-on, you have here a number of parameters and options. First of all, I suggest you click on enable on startup. So every time you start up, you don't need to come here and enable it. It's going to be automatically there. And you can change here a lot of settings. You can manage the color of the background. If you want shadows, you can use shadows. And you can change the font size, the margins. Well, a lot of this stuff can be also adjusted later, so you can manage it from here or also from the Blender interface. But some of these you will not find it, like the possibility to use a custom mouse image. So you can set this one up, you can customize everything, but it's going to be like a little bit more complex. I'm just going to show you the basics right here, just to use the tool in its basics and basic view and display. Okay, this one here is to update, so you can check if there are updates. Now, let's close this panel. Be careful that the checkbox is on, and that's all you need to do. Now, all we need to do to use it is go on the right hidden panel. So you can click and drag the little arrow, or you can press the N key of your keyboard, and that's gonna expand these panels here on the right, and you will find an extra panel, which is the screencast keys panel. And again, well, let's enlarge it a little bit, let's make it bigger, and you will find the parameters, the management options that we saw before. So we can see now it's a green color, and it's detecting all our buttons that we are clicking, and the keys on the keyboard is detecting everything and is displaying that on that little panel, black panel. Now we can create corner radius, we can create bigger text, we can create we can increase the width of the lines of the mouse and other stuff. Now you can see you don't find all the stuff that we saw in the add-ons parameters, but we have the most important parameters, like also the position. You can position on the right, on the left. You can adjust the offset, and here you can change how many buttons you want to see display, how many keys, and the display time. So how much time you want something to be displayed before it goes away. So 5 means 5 seconds, and then it goes away. And that's pretty much it. So if you are interested, you want to discover more, well, these are just the basics. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe and check our other video courses and video guides that you find in the channel in Blender, and also other 3D software rendering, modeling, and so on. And if you want to support us, you can, well, you can subscribe, but if you want to support us a little bit more, you can join the channel as a supporter. This will give us the possibility to create more videos for you, more video guides, and things that can be useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.